Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Gather account or organization code and the client's full name, then confirm the exact language and dialect. Dial the language line number, enter any PIN or code when prompted, and wait for the system to connect you to an interpreter. Once connected, introduce yourself and the purpose in one clear sentence so the interpreter can set context. Make sure to state whether you need consecutive or simultaneous interpretation, because that changes pacing and the interpreter's approach. Once the interpreter joins, give a concise briefing. Explain the topic, participants' roles, and any sensitive words or jargon. Speak in short, logical chunks and pause to let the interpreter relay each segment. This preserves accuracy and prevents overlap. Use direct names and simple pronouns to avoid ambiguity, and ask the interpreter to request clarification if cultural issues arise. Make sure to pace the conversation. Speed up only after confirming the interpreter is comfortable with technical terms. To finish, summarize agreements, assign tasks, and deadlines so everyone leaves with the same understanding. Confirm whether a written summary is needed and offer to send follow-up materials. If audio cuts or the interpreter struggles, pause, reconnect, and repeat the last 30 to 60 seconds. This ensures continuity. Should problems persist, note the session ID and report the issue to your account representative. This helps improve service and secures reimbursement if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.